Hey, it's been a month, I guess, since I last posted a video, and I apologize. I was just so busy, and at least now I have time to share something informative or maybe a tutorial that can help you. Okay, so what I'm going to teach you today is about the Google Forms. Google Forms, this is like a sign up a form that you can share to participants or other people, um where they can sign up or fill out information about things that you need. So for example, if you are a virtual assistant and you have, let's say, your client is a coach, okay? So let's say your client is a coach and they're going to let's say to what they're going to have a webinar. Let's say they're going to schedule a webinar and they want people to join, or you're going to invite people to join or register for that webinar. So this is one way um to gather information and gather participants. So let me show you how that works. So for example, let's see this one, event registration. You can see my forms right here. But these are the samples or the templates that you can use, or you can also create a from scratch from a blank form. So first, let's check this out. Event registration, let's try that. Let's click on the sample. Oh, by the way, you can access Google Forms. Let me go back to the first page. So you can access Google Forms by going to your, let's say, your Gmail. You're on your Gmail account and you'll see the what's this, 9 dots right here that says Google Apps. Just click on that and you'll see, just scroll down below until you see Forms. Okay, it should be right here. And then all you just have to do is click on it and you'll be routed to this page. Now, again, let's start with this event registration sample. So I'll click on this one and you'll see this is the sample. So this is the title of the event. And then this is the details about the event. And these ones here at the bottom are the information that you need. So let's copy this whole event registration, okay? We're going to do something from scratch. So let's go to docs. Oh, no. So forms dot Google. Is that right? No, 1 second. I will have to create a blank form first. Um, why can't I? Okay, let's just start from scratch. Okay, we're going to do a webinar and we're going to create a form, a registration form for those who wanted to join the webinar. Okay, let's say the course or the webinar is about a virtual assistant training, let's say, okay? Virtual assistant, a virtual assistance webinar. Okay, let's say that's the title of the webinar. Virtual assistance webinar. All right. And what else? Form description. So description about the form. What is this form about? So we will be what? We will be conducting, or let's say EVS Academy. EVS Academy will be conducting a free, let's say free webinar on Saturday, October 23 at let's say 5 p.m. Everyone is invited. Everyone is invited to join. Um, okay, that's it. So the first question will be this. So of course you will ask for, it's a webinar. So what do you need? Okay. So the name of the registrator, what? Okay, so name, we need a name, of course, and it should be a short answer. Do you require this? Of course. So make it required. If you don't require an answer to this um first question, or first part, then you just click this. And then if you want it required, just click this. If you want to delete that, then delete here. And then if you want to duplicate, then just click here. But you can simply duplicate here and then just, you know, um, put another question, just type another question, or you can simply click this, the plus sign here. And then here you can add title. Let's see. Actually, it's just this. Oh, this one. Okay. Add title. I'm confused as well. So it's just gonna be like another title, just like this one. So you want to do this if you're on another part of the form, or let's say if there's a second part of this form. I don't want to do that. So let's just go back. So name. What else do we need? An email. And it's required, so I'll make it required. And then actually you may not, or it's okay if you don't include the email here, because on the settings it will let's see. Mm, Collect email here. On the defaults, under the defaults, you can um collect email addresses by default. So if you will click this one, you don't have to require it here, because in the beginning it will collect the email. So yeah. And then we're now on the second question. What do we ask? We will ask for what do you want to learn? Let's say, what do you want to learn about virtual assistants? Sometimes I add questions like this because, let's say the webinar is going to be on Saturday, right? And when someone registers and they put answers in here, then I will have an idea on what else can I add on the topic. So it gives me, or um it helps me, or it gives me more idea on what to discuss on that certain webinar. So yep. And then of course make it required. Multiple choice, no, it should be short answer or paragraph. So you will decide on what answer you would like them to put here. So is it going to be a short answer? Is it going to be a paragraph? Do you want it to be multiple choice? So let's give an example for multiple choice. Let's add another question, and let's say we'll ask, do you have a VA experience? VA experience. Then multiple choice, we'll put yes and no. And then that's it. And then make it required as well. So there you go. They can select yes or no. And then on our third question, let's see what other options do we have here. We have a linear scale. Let's see a linear scale option. Yeah, sorry, there. Okay, rank your or rate your computer literacy, maybe. In a scale, rate your computer scale of 1 to 10. 1 to 10. Or let's say something like that. Yeah, that's it. And that's going to be it. There you go. So they'll be able to select, on how they will rate themselves, their computer literacy. And then What else? What other options do we have here? Drop down. Check boxes. So yeah, you can try all of these. You can do all questions. You can do like multiple choices, or you can combine both. So just anything and how you like it. So I think that's good. And then what else? Okay, so maybe let's say that's it. Okay, let's say those are the questions that we need. We are going to customize it. Just click here if you want to make it color blue, or just choose a theme. I want to make it like orange or red. Let's do blue, or this one. I like this one better. Okay, let's say that's going to be our theme color, and you can choose a background color right here. You can choose white or blue or whatever. I like this one better. Okay, and then for the font style, you can select the font style as well. You can make it decorative. It, oh, I think this is kind of hurting my eyes, so I don't want to do that. You can do it formal, you can do it playful, you can do playful, but I prefer the basic maybe, or the formal. No, I like the basic better. Okay, I think that looks perfect. And then there's also an option for you to choose an image for the header. For the header, maybe we can go to unsplash.com. So guys, unsplash.com is our a website where you can get royalty-free pictures. There's no copyright on it. So let's say office or laptop. Okay, let's say laptop. This is about virtual assistant. So I want to choose something relatable, or related. I mean, related, something related. Let us do. What do we put here? Maybe this, do you think? Or this, coffee and MacBook. Let's try. And then you can just download it for free here. And let's try to upload. Choose image. And then upload. Or we actually have choices right here. Let's see. No. Okay. Let's just upload the photo. Browse. And then where was that? Downloads. Here. Open. Am I bubbling a lot? Sorry about that, but I just want to share this. Yeah, it's still small. I don't think it's gonna work. I don't like it, because this is the size. This is the only one that will. This is the one that will show on there, so I don't like it. Okay, maybe let's just choose from here. Work and school. Let's select something formal. I don't know. Books, maybe? Illustrations. Nothing about work from home here. But the books. Other. Nope. Okay, let's choose the books. This one or this for work, right? Okay, let's do that. And then insert. And then you'll see the header right here. Oh, but it changed the color. It matched the color of the illustration or the photo right here. I think that looks okay. Or you can, it's up to you, if you want to change it. So what I clicked is this one, add custom color. If you want to change it a little bit, it's up to you. If you want blue, you can do that. But I think I want to stick to, okay, I'm just going to stick to the color, and then maybe change the background like this, and then orange, what? I don't know. Purple, brown. Okay. Oh no, I'm going to choose peach. What? Where can I find a peach color? I think it's in pink. I don't know. in between orange and pink, right? But okay, let me just choose a brown then, and then change the background color. So there it is. If you want to see how it looks like on the other, on the register or on the other person's end, then you just click on view preview right here. Just click that. And there you go. That's how it looks like on their end. So let's say we're going to answer this. Um, email is Eden's virtual services at gmail.com. Sorry, at gmail.com. That's my email. Um, answer. My name is Eden. Let's say I'm just gonna put my first name there, or let's say Eden first. Let's say. And then what's your what do you want to learn about virtual assistants? Everything. Everything. Or how to start. How to start, let's say. How to start. And then do you have V experience? No. Rate your computer literacy in a scale of 1 to 10. Let's say I'm 8. I'm an 8. And then I'll submit. Once I submit that, the email that you used here will be receiving that response. So I will check the response. I will just pause because, you'll see my emails. Pause. Okay, so I received the notification. At first, I did not receive a notification, so I was wondering what's happening. Because you should receive a notification, but I forgot. I forgot to tell you that you have to go here and you have to select get email notifications for new responses. And then there's also select response destination. That will be, it will be here. You will create a spreadsheet where you want the responses to go. So all you have to do is click here, and then you can create a new spreadsheet, or if you already have an existing spreadsheet, just click this one. But we want to create a new spreadsheet, so we would like to title that VA webinar, and then create. And then, of course, it will lead us to it. So here are the answers. It automatically goes here when somebody answers the form or submits, their response for that form. It will automatically go here. And you can see the emails of those or the answers of those who submitted and the timestamp when they submitted their answers. And I forgot, oh, actually, there's a title already. So the title of your form will be here. You have to put it in here. Let me check the other options that we can get. Unlink form, if you want to unlink that form to the sheet, to the spreadsheet. Then you can download responses, you can print, and you can delete, of course. And you'll see, if you are the owner of the form, you will see the response. Here are the questions, and here are the responses. Of course, you can update it still, okay? You can update still. So here are the responses, and here you can select or you can activate or deactivate the form. So if you select here, then they will not be able to answer. Let's see, submit another response, and you'll see the form virtual assistance webinar is no longer accepting responses. Try contacting the owner of the form if you think this is a mistake. So that's what happens if you will select this. Okay, so we have to activate it again, and let's try refresh, and you'll see it's active again. It's accepting responses again. So that's what it is. And then you can see the responses right here, like a graphic summary. And then yeah, there you go. You can see the graph. And what else? What else did we miss anything? Let me check. And here are the questions again. You can see the responses here as a group and as an individual here, one by one, and then you just click here, to check the next response. What else did I miss? Let me see. On the settings, you can make this a quiz. Let's see, assign point value, set answers, and automatically provide feedback. This is good if you're like a tutor, or yeah, just make it a quiz. I'm not really using um this setting, so I'm not really familiar. But if you're a teacher, I think this will be helpful. And then for responses, yeah, you can just edit how you want the response settings will be. Presentation, I think that's all. I think that's all that I want to share for this video. So at least you now know how to create a form, and I will have a follow-up video for this tutorial, because for this video we created this form, right? We created a form. And by the way, if you want to share this, for example, you'll be sharing the form already, you can just click this one, the preview, and then you just copy the link, and then you can just send it. Or you can create a bit.ly link, so bit.ly, just click that, and then you can shorten the link because it's too long. Let me log out here so you know what bit.ly looks like. Okay, this is bit.ly, so bit.ly. You can shorten your links. Just click here, or I mean, copy or paste your link here, and then shorten. And you'll see this is going to be your link. So copy, right? Copy. And the difference is you can actually have a free account on bit.ly. Let me log into bit.ly. What happened? I was logged out. I forgot my login. Okay, there you go. Ah, okay, never mind. But yeah, you can definitely sign up for a free bit.ly account, and you can personalize the link there. So you see our link is this one, bit.ly/3PU7, jumbled letters. But if you have a free an account in bit.ly, even if it's a free one, you can personalize it and you can make it like VA webinar, like that. So that's pretty, so that it will be personalized. And yeah, that's it. So yeah, for our next video, for the follow-up video, I will show you how to how how to do an automation, maybe. Yeah, just do an automation, so that let's say you have a form, you have a link. Whenever someone answers the form, or whenever someone submits a form, they will receive an automated response, like an automated email. So I will teach you how to do that. Just let me know if you're interested to learn about that on the comments below. Please do. I love reading your comments. I am reading your comments, but I just don't have that much time to respond. So sometimes I'm just liking or hearting them. But I really appreciate your support, and let me know what other videos do you want me to upload, what help you need. Just let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much, and you have a great day or evening, whatever time it is there. Bye.